Well, good afternoon. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have chosen to join me today for my Simple Sunday video. Before we get going into what I'm going to present today, I just want to go through some housekeeping things. And the first thing on the list here is our Paper Pumpkin subscriptions. This is the next Paper Pumpkin kit called Holiday Greetings. And if you sign up now, if you're a brand new subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, you will get 40% off your first month. All right, that is a really good deal. So you will want to consider that. You can go on the Stampin' Up! Website or to my website, creatingcardswithsherry.stampinup.net, and put me in as your demonstrator. You will use the code HOLIDAY40 so that you'll be sure to get your 40% off. If you have any questions, be sure to contact me, and I will be happy to help assist you with that. Okay, let's go on here. As you've been told before, I told you that scrapbooking is a new thing for Stampin' Up! We're trying to help you preserve your memories, and we started a whole new line of products for scrapbooking. And so they put together, for this month, they rushed to get it all in so that you could have it quickly. And that they put together 4 different scrapbooking kits that you will be able to use. They also have paper available in these colors, the green, garden green, real red, kind of read this here, full party, and basic black. And it says seeing double. Well, that's because every page has its dark side and a light side. And so we're going to take a look at that in just a few minutes. I promised you that I was going to purchase the autumn kit, and we're going to look at it and see how it is all put together. It comes in a plastic bag like this, and the first thing you see is the Autumn to Remember Scrapbook Workshop, which is actually a booklet on how to do 3 different pages, front and back. All right. On the bottom, it will tell you the materials that you will need. So if there's anything listed here that you would like to get that you don't have, you can do that. So this one says the Autumn to Remember kit. It tells me the markers I could get, the Regal's paper, basic white or basic black Stampin' Right marker, the adhesives that I will need, paper trimmer, and paper snips. So it tells you everything that you need. What is really cool about this booklet, is that it shows you what you're going to need and what size. And so what you have to do is, what I did is I looked through all these pages, and I decided that I wanted to work with this page. And as I read this, I find that I need the crushed curry paper, and it shows me 3A, B, C, D, E, and F, G, H, and I are the cutouts that I need. So I went through and I highlighted everything because they aren't in any particular order. And so I went to 3B, and I knew that I needed this paper. All right, and it shows you that that's what the front side of it looks like, and that's what the back side looks like. And you'll see that in just a minute when I show you the paper. Same thing, 3G, this paper we're using, it's a 2x2. Here we had 3H, 3I, they're both 1.5 by 2. And so forth. It just goes through all of them and tells you what sizes to make them. And that will help you to lay out your scrapbook page. Now, if you are used to doing scrapbooking, you probably don't really need this. You may be interested in it. You may not. It's up to you. But this is put together for those of you who have never scrapbooked before and you want to learn how. This is a great thing to follow. All right, I'm going to show you the paper that's in here. Now I'm going to, the stuff that I'm going to show you, a lot of things have been cut up or punched out or whatever so that I can show you my scrapbooking page. But this is basically what you'll see. This is one sheet and the back side of it is all animals. All right. Then we have this one with little triangles and the checked, or not even checked, but grid in the back. Green paper with little, I think those are little leaves. Then we have a striped pattern, and it's just white in the back. And I don't know what kind of pattern you'd call that, but it's different. It's also white in the back. Then we have gray sheets, wood grain, and they are white in the back as well. This is our crushed curry, and as you can see, it's the dark side and the light side. I'm going to be using the dark side today, so I'm going to put that aside. Then we have a pink, where, let's see if I can tell, the lighting is a little weird here. Whoops. There we go. The dark side and the light side. You'll get 2 sheets of all of these. And again, it'll be the dark side and the light side. All right. And then that's the cardboard that held it all in place. You'll get various punch outs. This one I did not need for my page. So I don't have anything punched out there. And then you have a sheet of stickers. And I cut out a couple things for my stickers. And then there's another punch out sheet. And this one also has journaling areas on it. So you can take those and write down explaining what each picture is if you would like to do that. All right, and then there's one more punch-out thing, and this is a wood grain punch-out. So everything, and it's preserved to stay nice in this plastic bag, and you punch those out and use those images on your pages. And then it comes with a new white called White Willow, and it's made just for this scrapbooking. I think eventually they're going to come out with it on the regular 8.5 by 11, but for now it's only available with the scrapbooking kits. All right, so I'm going to open up this page, and we are page that I am using, and we're going to put our scrapbooking page together. I'm using crushed curry, and then I cut everything out ahead of time so that we don't take up too much time in our video today. So it shows this strip and this one, and you see I'm putting a border all the way around it, so you want to be careful to do that. And then there's this one. Now, I don't know if you can tell or not, but the book shows the stripes going vertical, and I cut it out horizontal. So that was my mistake. You will want to be very careful when you put your pages together that if they are directional, you cut them up the way they should be. All right. Then it calls for the white page. And it shows it's placed about right there, almost in the middle. And then this goes right there, so I have somewhat of a border on all those 3 sides. And then this will hold my picture. I don't have any pictures at this time, but I'm going to put a card there to show you what it looks like. All right. Then this is my sticker that I will use, and then I also cut out these flagged pieces. And they're just there for decoration. All right, and that will go there. Then I went and did my punch outs. And this is one of them. Here's the wood grain that will go with that. There's my other punch out. Here's another wood grain. And then the sticker that says give thanks. And this is the card that I chose to put in there with it. All right. And so that would be where your picture is. I'm just using the card right now as an example, but this is what your scrapbooking page would look like. You can also use one of those journal pieces to put down here below and write down exactly what your picture is all about. All right, and that would be your one page. Another thing that they've done, I'm going to show you real quick here, just going to move this part away, is in your kit you will get some photo placeholders, they're called, and they come in 4 different sizes, and you can lay them on your page however you want and put your, decide how you want to lay everything out, and then you'll know what you want to do with your pages. I thought that was really cool that they did that. Oh, I got that upside down. And so there's a variety of things that can be done to set up your pages the way you like them and want to show all your memories. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have enjoyed this little segment. And think about, if you're a scrapbooker, this is something you're really going to want to dig into. And it's really fun to look at it all and to put it together. So you have a fantastic weekend. I will see you again on Tuesday for my Tickle Tuesday video. Bye now.